Okay, so sometimes for a bond the price will be given and we need to find its YTM. So let us take this example. Suppose 1000 rupees face value, 9% coupon, 8-year annual bond is currently selling at a price of 1010 and you want to find YTM. So in terms of our keystrokes, this 1000 will be our future value. 1009% is 90 is your PMT. You will receive the coupon for 8 times, so 8 is your N. Now the important thing is this price 1010, that you have to enter with a negative sign as present value, and now you have to compute IY. So let us see on a calculator. Let us say 1000. So 1000 is your FV, 90 is your PMT, 8 is N, 1010 negative. This is your PV. Then you compute IY. So it comes out to be 8.82%, which looks to be correct because currently you can see the price is more than face value. So YTM will be less than coupon of 9%. So 8.82 looks okay.